Today, I want to show you how you can validate the incoming body to a request on the Zoplo API gateway using JSON Schema. Here I have an example API that has one route /v1/people, and it supports post. If I go over to the test client, you'll see that I have a test set up already, post to v1 people, and it's going to post this body. So if I hit that, we get a 200, okay. Looks like everything worked, even got a little message saying it's inserted twist, Josh. If I now delete that name property from this payload and send that over, we're going to get a really nasty error. We get a 500 internal server error, and it just so happens that the API we're proxying does not like receiving invalid input, and it blows up. So we want to avoid that. So the right thing to do here is to actually use JSON Schema to validate the incoming body. I already created a schema object here to represent that body. So it's a person object. It has a name string, a little regular expression pattern here that will match that string. And then company is an optional property, only name is required. Now to plug that in is very easy. I just go to my route, I go to my policies, I choose add policy, I say body validation. Now all I need to do is specify the actual JSON schema that I want to use. So ./schemas/person.json. Click OK, save that change, go back to my test client. Now let's remove name again, hit test, and you'll see now we don't get a 500, we get a 400 bad request, which is saying the client did something wrong. Schema validation failed, body must have required property name. We even go a little bit further than that actually, and if we don't match the regular expression, we'll still get the same response but with a different error. So now I'm going to get must match pattern, and there's the particular pattern they must match. But if everything is good, then you get a 200 OK.